Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. Welcome to my channel. I've been teaching Vectorworks for a while, so I've seen most things. I had a question the other day about the saved tool options. So for example, when you go view on the menu bar and you choose create viewport, it normally brings up a dialog box. And I often say no, I don't want to see that ever again. So there's lots of options in Vectorworks where it says, do you want to see this again? And you can tick the box that says, no, I don't want to see that anymore. But if you've turned those off, how do you get them back? So let's have a look. It's to do with the Vectorworks preferences. So we've got a couple of different settings here. Let's have a look at Vectorworks preferences. Now first of all, you can reset all of your Vectorworks preferences and it'll reset all of these options here, the edit, the display, the session and so on. So all of those can be clicked here and you can reset all of those. But the one that you really need to look at for resetting those tool options is this one here, reset saved settings. So there are tool modes, dialog positions. Now I don't want to reset those, but there's this one here, the always do selected action choices. So a lot of dialog boxes have got this always do the selected action, and if you want to reset that, you have to do it this way. So we click OK, OK again. Now let's try this again. View, create viewport. See, this comes up now, so it says the selected object may be used. And I've ticked that one here, always do the selected action. So I'm going to have a lot of these dialog boxes come back now that I've reset my settings. I don't want to see that ever again. And off we go, I can create the viewport. I've also got that on my right click here. So I've actually got it, because I use it a lot, I've set it to my right click, which is a whole nother movie. Now if you want to see that movie, don't forget to look at my channel and find the other movies on how to customize Vectorworks. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this movie. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like. It really does help other people to find these movies. If you want to get more extended movies, if you want to see the nitty-gritty of Vectorworks, if you want to drill down into the details of how to use Vectorworks, become a member. See you later.